Hello, what's up guys? In this video today I'm gonna show you how to fix Free Fire login fail. Try log out first. So if you're facing this issue, simply you have to watch this video till end. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first fully enter into the Free Fire game, and with some second it's just login into the game. And now we have to see the error I have facing in my Free Fire, and now it's loading. So just waited some second to logged in to my Free Fire, and whenever I have to try to log in, it's showing me this error again and again. So wait some second and I will fix this issue as soon as possible. So as you can see, now it's 100%ly working now here. So I have just got this error. As you can see, login failed, please try again logging out first. So simply have to go back from home screen and do some step to fix this issue. So first of all, we have to enter into the setting of the iPhone, and then here we have to search a date and time. So simply we have to enter into it, and here see set time zone set automatically. We have to turn off it and enter into the date, and as you can see now it's 13 and it's showing a 14. So we have to fix our date first of all. So simply have to fix it, and then we have to check the time. As you can see, my time is now corrected and I have seen a time zone, and simply we have to just set automatically and 24 hour, and wait some second, it's just setting up, and we have to just do it. And then again we have to just go back to the home screen, and then we have to enter into the setting, and here's here Wi-Fi section. So we have to enter into it, and we have to turn off our Wi-Fi, and again we have to turn on it and reconnect to the internet and check it's working or not. And simply it's connected now. So we have to go back and we have to do a last thing. We have to just enter into the App Store. Here's the App Store, and wait some second, it's loading now. So we have to search here Free Fire. So wait some second, I have searching here. So we have to search it, and simply it's loading, and enter into the Free Fire and check the update. If the update was available, we have to update the Free Fire. Update was not available, so we have to again enter into the Free Fire and check it our problem is fixed or not. And as you can see now, I have live login into my Free Fire, and we have to check it our problem is fixed or not. So simply it's now login into my Free Fire. As you can see now, I have able to play this game. So simply, if my video is helpful, please like, share, and make sure you have subscribed my channel. Thanks for watching my video.